Polygons. A polygon is a closed two-dimensional figure composed of straight line segments that meet at their endpoints. The line segments of a polygons are called sides and the endpoint is called vertex. Polygons have at least 3 sides and 3 angles, and their sides must be straight. Say we have a polygon here. So the sides or the line segment are called the sides. So this is side, this is side, and the endpoint is called the vertex. So this is the vertex, that endpoint here that connects the line segments. So there are types of polygon. First, a regular polygon. All sides and interior angles of the regular polygon are equal. The examples of regular polygons are square and equilateral triangle. Also, we have an irregular polygon. All the sides and interior angles of the polygon are of different measure. This means that either the sides are of different lengths or the angles are different, which is sufficient for a polygon to be said to be irregular. For example, a scalene triangle, a rectangle, or a kite. So types of polygon. Continuation. We have a concave polygon. One or more interior angles of a polygon are more than 180 degrees. A concave polygon can have at least 4 sides. The vertex points toward the inside of the polygon. So we will have some examples here after this. So convex polygon. All the interior angles of a polygon are strictly less than 180 degrees. The vertex will point outwards from the center of the shape. So here are some characteristics of a convex polygon. So we have 2 polygons here. So this is an example of a convex polygon, and this one is concave polygon. So some characteristics of a convex polygon: all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. So angle here are less than 180 degrees. Unlike here, we have an angle more than 180 degrees. Then all vertices point outward. So the vertices, so the vertex here, vertex, vertex, and vertex point toward outward of the shape. So if this is the center, then they are pointing towards or outward. Unlike here, if this is the center of our polygon, so this vertex here draws inside, and all diagonal connecting lines are contained within the polygon. And a convex polygon is a simple polygon, meaning it is not self-intersecting. So a convex polygon, their vertex or their side doesn't intersect with the other side or line segment of the shape or the polygon. So here, if you're going to connect the vertices and making some diagonals, so the diagonal doesn't intersect with the side of the polygon. Unlike here, we're going to draw some diagonals. So some diagonals are intersecting the side of the polygon. So these are characteristic of a convex polygon. So the sum, so this is an important one. So the sum of the angles of a polygon with n sides has, so this formula here will give us the total number or the sum of the angles of a polygon with n sides. So n here is the number of sides of the polygon. So n minus 2 times 180 degrees.